Hi everyone, this is Dhanasekaran, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video, we're going to see about wireless communication in the subject name of mobile communication and networks. So these are the outlines of this video. Introduction, wired and wireless medium, basics of wireless communication, understanding of radio frequency, advantages of wireless communication, challenges of wireless communication and application. So, in introduction, wireless communication is a method of transmitting data or sharing information between two or more devices without the usage of physical wire or cables. So, instead of using cables, it uses radio waves or we can say RF or other types of electromagnetic waves to send a signal through the air or space. Coming to wired versus wireless medium, network is a bounded medium where the data travels along a predefined path such as cables or wires, while reliable or wired network imposes several restrictions in the modern environment where a large number of devices need to connect simultaneously. So if you take an example, if you wish to connect 10 or more devices around you, so in the time each device would requires its own physical port. That is highly impractical solution. So this is where the wireless network shines. So by eliminating the need of physical wiring, wireless communication offers mobility, convenience, and easy scalability. So multiple devices can connect to the wire to the network easily and simultaneously, simply by being within a wireless coverage area by using the wireless medium. So this is an important standards you should know about the wireless and wired network. And the wired network comes under IEEE standards 802.3. So what is IEEE? IEEE is the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineer. It's a organization responsible for developing and managing these standards. So for wireless network comes under IEEE standard 802.11. So this is a standard IEEE standard and the purpose and the example. So you can see IEEE 802.3 is a wireless wired LAN, that is a Ethernet, and the example is a computer connected using LAN cable, and 802.11, that is a wireless Wi-Fi in homes, college, industry, everywhere they use Wi-Fi, and 802.15, that is wireless PAN. Example is a Bluetooth and Zigbee. Zigbees are used in the TNEB. 802.16, that's wireless MAN. The example is a wireless MAX. And 802.1, that is network management and bridging. That's a VLAN. And 2.5, it's a token ring, and 2.4 is a token bus. So both used an IBM token and the industrial network. So coming to the basics of wireless communication. So wireless communication works by transmitting signal through the free space using radio frequency. So one device act as a transmitter and another one receiver. The sending RF signal through an antenna. So another device serves as a receiver that's capturing the transmitting signal. So both device must use same frequency or channel for effective communication. So this is a figure for unidirectional communication. The transmitter transmits the signals to the receiver. So the number of devices increases, the channel of the interference rise significantly. So the next one is the bidirectional communication. You can see the transmitter and receiver. here, so both communications will happen when many wireless devices communicate simultaneously. Their radio frequency may interfere with each other, degrading the performance. So next one is interference from the other devices. So here you can see the interference from the other devices when many of the wireless devices communicate simultaneously. So next one is a shared medium and half duplex operation. Here the wire devices share a common communication medium. Wireless devices share airtime and bandwidth. So, to avoid a signal collision and interference, the wireless device operate in half duplex mode. So, here I cannot send and receive the data at the same time. Before transmitting devices that should follow IEEE 802.11 standard procedure to check if the channel is free or available. So, while full duplex is theoretically possible using separate frequencies for sending and receiving, typical practical wireless communication remains half duplex due to the use of same channel. So you can see the figure that is we have a frequency and cycle, and how we going to calculate the frequency. The frequency is equal to 6 cycles per second. Finally you got a 6 hertz in the half duplex operation. So coming to the understanding of radio waves, the wireless communication in the free space relies on the generation of electromagnetic waves. The transmitter sends an alternating current into an antenna. It generates moving electric magnetic field, and these field propagate as traveling waves with the electric and magnetic fields moving at the right angles to one another. To sustain a wave propagation, the current must alternate cycling. So this is a wave propagation with the antenna in the radio frequency. Uh, the frequency of the wave refers to the number of cycles the wave completes in 1 second. Calculated as a frequency is equal to number of cycles per second. In antenna in our daily lives send out the electromagnetic waves in the all direction, like waves traveling in water when a stone is dropped into the water body. So these are the frequency unit names. You may know that hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, and gigahertz. So you should know these detail to calculate the units of the frequency. So coming to the advantage of wireless communication system, no need for physical cables in the wireless communication system, offering mobility and convenience. So by using wireless communication, we may face different physical cable problems. But coming to the wireless, it offers mobility, so convenience, and supports connection of multiple devices without the need of numerous ports, and we can easily to deploy in areas where wiring is impractical and expensive. That time we can definitely use the wireless communication. And the last one is the rapid scaling environments such as offices, cafes, and public spaces. And these are the challenges of wireless communication. It's a limited range of dependence on the wireless coverage area. So interference due to multiple devices transmitting simultaneously, because the channel is very limited channels, because this comes under the half duplex communication. The same channel is used for the transmitting and receiving. And coming to the security concern must be actually so managed to prevent the unauthorized access, and the periodic maintenance is required to keep the communication channel reliable. So after watching this video, try to answer these questions and go through these questions and answer this question. Thank you for watching video.